Okay, thank you very much, and then thank you opportunity given us my presentation the ISMER International Conference on Mechanical Engineering Research. My title of experimental study of hydrogen fuel injection impact in diesel engine on emission. I am Eswanto, presented, and then next. Author Muhammad Adnan Hamidi, Muhammad Haris Fadil, Muhammad Ijwadi Ijudin, Daeng Muhammad Nafis Daeng Idris. Introduction. Diesel engine are rarely built and within uses powertrain. The downside is the high emission which need to be addressed. On the other hand, hydrogen is low emission and flammable fuel, making it sustainable for us diesel oil blend. The hope is the emission will be reduced and then clean combustion with result. Okay, next. The aim of this research, this study aim to analyze the effect of hydrogen gas injection on emission characteristic nitrogen, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide to support clean combustion. The experimental method, experimental setup, this is equipment and specification. The research method was conducted experimental design to hydrogen fuel injection to characteristic exhaust emission. Experimental was conducted using horizontal 4-stroke cycle diesel engine. Okay. The measurements were modeled to obtain data from experimental tests. Hydrogen flow measured to the flow injected hydrogen fuel analysis using HORIBA MEXA. Mode analysis measured to conceal emission hydrocarbon, carbon dioxide, carbon, and Hg. Result and discussion. This is a figure graph relationship between time and carbon monoxide emission. Okay, graphic is graph show comparison carbon monoxide emission on the two combustion condition. As monitored blue using pure diesel without addition hydrogen zero. Okay, the vertical axis show the carbon dioxide concentration per percent will be horizontal axis time the experimental in minutes. Okay. Overall, with their variation of fuel ratio conflict, the ratio of obtained hydrogen KO comparative the 4 liter per minute hydrogen. Okay, next figure. CO2 emission value increase with the test time both condition observed visually in the graph. Okay. So the for diesel combustion production higher CO. Okay, then diesel plus hydrogen mix. Especially after the test time point, result CO2 emission using for diesel begin to increase at the test time. But after was crash test the crash again to test. Now, the next figure, time and then hydrocarbon. The average hydrocarbon for pure diesel will, with the induction of hydrogen only, with average different above indicating the potential for reduction unburned emission with using hydrogen. The very strong correlation the two indicated duplicate our fluctuation pattern. Okay, help improve flame speed of the combustion process. This result in the complete combustion. Result less hydrogen compound exhausting of emission data. Graph in figure 5 show significant decrease hydrocarbon value. Now, it can be seen the intake temperature increase over time both conditions, but the system with addition hydrogen has higher intake temperature than for diesel engine. Based on the intake temperature between for diesel. Okay. From the result, time exhaust temperature. The result of processing of seen figure opportunity for diesel system produces with higher exhaust temperature system with hydrogen mix, especially time when different become too significant based on the exhaust temperature. Okay. Conclusion: the research result and the analysis that have been carried out covering carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide emission will as intake in exhaust gas temperature. It can be concluded that the addition hydrogen 2 and 4 liter per minute diesel engine has a conscious positive impact and combustion efficiency and then reduce exhaust emission. The use of hydrogen significantly reduces carbon dioxide and HC emission. This is indicated that combustion become more homogeneous and extreme local temperature and successful surprise then thanks to the forced ignition characteristic of hydrogen. This combination of reducing emission and thermal efficiency make the dual-fuel diesel hydrogen system an ideal transition solution to low-emission combustion technology. Thank you for presentation the ISMER International Conference. Thank you.